Students, welcome back. What we did yesterday, I will just give a quick summary to you so that it is easy for you to remember what is going on, right? So every day we are doing the same thing, that what we did a previous day. I am just giving you a quick summary so that it is easy for you to remember the chapter, right? Yesterday what we did parts of seed, right? Here I have shown you a seed and I have told you about the different parts, like the outer part is known as seed coat, right? This red color I did, it was to show the opening of a seed from where the new plant germinates, right, or reproduces. Then next diagram shows you the inside part of a seed, that how does a seed from inside looks, right? So when you see this red part here, you are able to see the red part. This is your new baby plant, right? Now this empty part, you can see this empty part. This is a place where food is stored. Food is stored, like it can be water taken from the roots. It can be the nutrients that our roots have taken from the soil, which helps the plant to grow, right? Today I am going to describe you about all the parts of the seed. A seed is actually tiny life supports package. All seeds have different three main parts. First, seed coat. It is the tough outer covering of the seed that protects the seed from damage, that we have seen, right? That as we have seen yesterday, I have shown you about the seed, right? See this covering. This is the most hard covering, so that it protects the seed to get damage. The seed coat has a tiny opening through which air and water can be entered into the seed. Here the red part, this what it shows the opening. From this opening the water and the air enters into the seed. After that, embryo. It is the baby plant that is present inside the seed. After germination it grows into a small sapling, right? The red part that you can see over here, right? Seed leaves and cotyledons contain stored food which is used by the baby plant for growth, right? Here what I told you, the food, that is they are having the food, the nutrients, you can say, the water they have collected from the soil, everything that is helpful for the baby plant to grow, right? Now today there is a new topic that we will be doing, and that topic is germination, right? So what does the word germination mean? Germination means that from a seed a new baby plant is sprouting out. That means it is coming out. That is known as germination of seed, right students? So if I am saying what is germination, germination you can say the development of a seed into a new plant. This is called germination, right? Now if there are like if I show you with a diagram, there are 5 steps that are going to take place in the germination of seeds, right? So first I will be telling you about step 1, right students? In step 1, there we are taking a small seed. So here I am taking a seed of a gram. Gram everyone knows, that is chana, right? Right, this is a gram seed, right? Now step 2, what will happen if we will leave this gram seed for few times, right? Few times, like for a small time. So what will happen? What will happen is you will see that a small structure, right, See, you can see a small structure is sprouting out, or you can say is coming out from that particular seed, right? After that, if we will, now there will be coming your third step. In third step, what happens is that this sprouting that is done. So what happens, the red, you can see the color which I have done red, it will just, that cover will just remove away from this new green plant that is coming out, right? So the structure that you will be able to see will be in such form. And this red cover that I was showing you will get removed from it. Right? After that, what happens, you will see that is now it will be coming your step 4. What happens in step 4? This, the germinated part, that is the baby, you can say, there will be becoming two new structure that is formed, right? What will happen? It will shoot up more. Shoot up means more roots will be coming out from it. It will develop into a shoot system. Yes, children, you know the shoot system means the plant, that part of a plant that grows above the soil. So if you will see, it will develop more, right? See, it will develop in this form, right? Now what will happen after this sprouting more into the shoot system? Now there will be a last step, that is step 5, that the seed will be emerging into a cotyledon shoot. Cotyledons means, see, what is cotyledon? I will tell you. See, you can see the plant has came out from the soil. Here I am making the roots. See, this is what we are coming to known as a germination from a seed. It sprouted out. After sprouting, some new sapling came out. After that sapling, after few time, it will come and became a shoot system, and after that shoot system, you can see the seedling is converting into an cotyledons, right? So now I am going to read about what is germination. When a seed gets the right amount of water, air, sunlight and warmth, it grows into a new plant. Right, students? I told you the development of the seed into a seedling is called germination. Let us observe how a seed changes into a seedling. Take 3 to 4 gram seeds, keep in moist cotton, observe for a week. Right, for a week we are doing that. What we did, we have taken a seed, right? Seed swells up, absorbing water. Soon the seed coat cracks, right? The brown cover that you can see. After that, you see a small white structure appears which starts growing downwards, right? You see, it is started growing. The color you see. There are 2 seed leaves, cotyledons, which have the stored water for the cotyledons. See, you can see it has transformed into 2 cotyledons, right? After that, what happens? The structure of a new shoot called plume emerges, which develops into a shoot system. See, you can see the things that are coming out, they are emerging to become a shoot system. The seedling emerges. See, you can see the plant has started arising. The cotyledons soon shrink in size as a growing seedling uses up the stored water. See, as it is growing up, right? So this is what your particularly a germination, right? From a seed, how we are growing a new plant, right, students? today I am ending here. Tomorrow again we will be coming back and we will be starting a new chapter, and we will see and we will read about the different parts of a plant.